it's calling from behind, and the streets that are familiar seem to stretch out at night. They dragged her to the woods they couldn't leave in on her own, and the press paraded pictures of a dead Marilyn Monroe. And I will always choose the bear, I will always choose the wolves. No matter what they do, they wouldn't blame my clothes. I would rather choose to die, let my body decompose. 'Cause even when you're ash, they will never let you go, no. Careful of the stranger, a face you've never met. You've seen them in your churches, they're sleeping in your beds. And history will teach you they were all such willing wives. Like her Julia was a child when her body lost its rights. I will always choose the bear, I will always choose the wolves. No matter what they do, they wouldn't blame my clothes. I would rather choose to die, let my body decompose. 'Cause even when you're ash, they will never let you go. The waves let them take me, the walls let them fall. It may not be many, but enough to doubt them all. And when I tell the beast all the things you would do, they would cry as well and fear you too. I will always choose the bear, I will always choose the wolves. No matter what they do, they wouldn't blame my clothes. I would rather choose to die, let my body decompose. 'Cause even